What's up, guys? Well, I have a light here so make sure we can see the picture and myself, I guess. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we, well, myself, I'm gonna replace this part right here. That part, this plastic piece, this piece right here, to a carbon fiber. Yes, carbon fiber. I said carbon fiber. And this is about time to change it. So like I said, the last video, a few video, if I have a chance to change to carbon fiber, I'll do so. So today is the day. Let's do it. Oh, that's the last time to look at that piece. It's gonna be a nightmare. Easily fry them up. Yeah. It's really scary when you're pulling it up like this. There you go. So that clip right there, one clip right there, clip right there, clip right there. Pull it up. So you come up. So what you do, you yeah, all come up. So clip, 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 clip. And then you unclip this thing. Here, that little tiny bit right there. Well, you can see in the camera, but there you go. That's your piece. So that's your piece. So I guess you just have to unclip this. Transfer this unit. So guys, so this thing went down like this, right? Thing went down like that. And these little clip, I don't know, can you see this? Little clip on the side here, that's holding this little thing in there. You really have to work it out. Push it in, and use the fly. See the tiny one, you can see, push it in, fly it up, push it in, fly it up, and then you hold it there while it get off the clip, and that's it. And that's it, and you transfer this to a new well, I got all the knives and stuff in there. So it's a new piece. Am I gonna ride one? Yep. So it's going like this. Same thing, you're gonna push it down. Same way you go. I think. The right piece. Yeah, it's the right piece. Yep. You push it in. Yeah. Same way going out. Same way going in. So push it in. You hear a click. That's it. Done. So what I do now is just transfer all the clip over these. Take this out and then transfer over. Yep. Gonna be fun. So here we go. Oh, I'll get back with you. I'm done with the transfer all these clips. Okay. So guys, after I get the passenger side change, move out, take it out, and after all the clip right here, it's a pain in the butt to get it out. Anyway, got them out. Then I switch out all the clip. Take all the clip, all the metal clip right here. Not that hard. Take it in and transfer it to a new piece. And then apparently the driver's side is much easier. So the driver's side is much easier. All you need is this tiny Allen wrench key. Well, they have a torque key, a torque bolt on there. I don't know if you see that right there. Should be a torque bit something, but the tiny Allen wrench would do. All you do, you just, I thought I didn't have that tool, but hey, it come off really easy. See, come off really easy. So, no YouTube has shown you how to do it on the company who making the carbon fiber piece here. So you have 3 screw, torque screw. Yep. Take it out. Apparently you just switch over to the carbon fiber piece. Put them all in there. And then screw them in, and then snap it back in. Transfer all these pieces over. One thing I noticed is this little metal piece right here. You don't have to take it off and transfer, because the carbon fiber piece I have this piece already. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys who making them. True Fiber making these, not MRP Carbon. This is True Fiber. So you know where to get it. So all I do now, I transfer everything over, screw them up, plug it in, snap it in, done. So we will see the result after. Okay, I have my GoPro mount on my chest. So like I said, the driver's side is much easier. Screw that for 3 screw, you just swap over, and all the clip. See all the clip right here? 1, 2, 3, 4. On this side, it just push it in there. I hope you can see. See that? Basically, it's with this side right here. This side right here. You can see the camera. How about right there? You go against the door. You go into that hole right there. So what you do, plug it back in. Plug it back in and clear back in. Done. All right. Let's see. Am I doing okay here? Start that side. That side. That side. That side. There you go. So now let's do on the passenger side. Excuse me, but I gotta walk over here. I got all kind of light. Oh yeah, got enough light over here. So I just plug it in already. So everything transfer. And this one a little bit loose. So yeah, I gotta squeeze it in a little bit. You see it loose. I hope it doesn't fall off. You take it out and squeeze it a little more, or you get a fly. Squeeze it in a little bit. So it stay. It's still a little bit loose, so I hope it go in there and it stay in there. So just Start from this end, clip in, clip in, clip in. Now, what do you guys think? What do you guys think of this? Look better? Carbon fiber. Where's the old one? And over there. Alright, let's see. Turn it on. There it goes on. Well, no going up. So everything working as it should be. Okay. There you go, guys. So, alright. A little bit dirty there, but little. Well, let me know. How's my process doing? How am I touring? You guys how to do it. So, look not bad. Definitely look much better than the OEM plastic piece. Oh, see, look much better than OEM plastic piece. So there you go, guys. I got a little more thing to do. So there you go. Okay, one more piece I want to show you what I do. What I do is I want to build this to my dad and my younger brother. They are veteran, and to the veteran I will salute them. And the 13 Marine who died in Afghanistan, I salute to them. So I decided to put these flag back and front. Let me walk to the front. To the front. Here you go. So guys, I tribute that to my brother and my father and the 13 Marine who died and all the servicemen in the United States. My dad was Marine, and my younger brother, he's in the Air Force, U.S. Air Force. He just get out, and I tribute and give thanks to God that keep my brother safe. All that trip he went to Iraq and Afghanistan. Thank you for you guys watching with this video, and hope you like it. Give me a thumb up. Any suggestion what I need to do next? You might not like the flag, but I give thanks to them. If without them, there's no freedom for me. All right.